Hi guys, welcome back. I am so excited for today's video. I just think you're really going to love it, and it's a really easy, classic updo. And I thought it'd be a lot of fun to share my favorite go-to products just to help prep the hair, add moisture, and give this hairstyle that nice, soft, smooth finish. So let's just go ahead and get into it. All right guys, the cold weather is here and it has sucked all of the moisture out of my hair. So whenever my hair is feeling dry or dull, I always reach for a hair mask, especially this one from Briogeo. So I'm so excited because today's video is sponsored by Briogeo. So thank you. You guys know they've been my go-to for years, especially because there are no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens in their products, which is really important to me since I have such sensitive skin. So like I mentioned, whenever my hair is feeling dry and it just needs some moisture, I always reach for the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This mask is a must, you guys. This is probably my fourth jar. Oh my god, it just smells so clean. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I never remember to apply a hair mask. So what I started doing is using this weekly after I shampoo my hair in place of my conditioner. So what I like to do is grab like a heaping scoop of this hair mask, and then I just massage it onto my scalp and work it through the rest of my hair. And then I like to leave it on for probably 5 to 10 minutes while I wash my face, do my thing, and then I just rinse it out like normal. Oh, and this also won the Allure Reader's Choice Award for Best Conditioner. No surprise there. Okay, and then I follow up with the Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I always use a leave-in conditioner. So I saw everybody talking about this product and I had to get my hands on it, and you guys, I've fallen in love. And then with this stuff, I just spray it all over my damp hair. I try my best to focus it on the mid shafts and the ends. Oh, and lastly, since this one is free of silicones, you don't have to worry about it weighing down your hair. So blow drying your hair will help give it that nice, smooth, shiny finish, but you'll want to use a blow dry cream. So I really love this one from Briogeo. It's the Rosarco Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. This will protect your hair up to 425 degrees. So I apply about 2 quarter-sized amounts into my hands, rub it between my palms, and again, I just focus this from root to tip, mostly on the mid shafts, and I find that this product really helps to prevent frizz. But I really love this product as a finisher. If I don't use any product in my hair, it's seriously so frizzy and unmanageable. Like, a lot of work goes into making it look like this. And this one also won the Allure Reader's Choice for the best defrizzer. So once my hair is prepped, I just finish it off by blow drying it with a round brush and really locking in that shine. So if you've been wanting to try out Briogeo products or stock up on your favorites, you can use the coupon code ALEX at briogeo.com and you'll receive 20% off your order. So now that my hair is prepped and it's smooth and it's soft, I'm going to turn around and let's create an updo. All right, so first up, let's add some volume. So just begin gently teasing small horizontal sections in downwards motions all around your crown. And then you just want to gently brush over the top to smooth it down. Next up, section off all of the hair above your ears, and you just want to gather it at the back of your head. And then so it's not too perfect, just pull out small sections from in front of your ears. All right, give that top section a little bit of a twist. This will just gather all of the hair and then push it up slightly, and this will create a nice shape and add even more volume on the top. Then take some bobby pins and just secure this top section from both sides right where your head meets your neck. Now gather all of your hair into a tight, low ponytail, being careful not to get your bobby pins caught in it. And then on your last loop, cross your ponytail at the top and just create a bun by not pulling your elastic all the way over your ponytail. So it should look like this. You want it nice and small. And then gently pinch and pull on small sections of hair on your bun. We don't want to make it larger. You just want it to look a little less perfect. All right, now it's all going to come together. So take your ends and bring them up the right side of your bun. And then about 2 finger widths up, you just want to secure them to your head, slightly off center to the right. So it should look like this. Now, this step is going to create a nice swoop. You will see in a minute. So just flip your hair down and play around with it, gently fanning it out so that it covers those bobby pins and your hair elastic. And then we're going to bring our ends around the bun, underneath it, and then back to the right side. And then you just want to gently fan out that left side again, just to help cover up the elastic. Now, if your hair is shorter, just secure your ends underneath your bun. But if your hair is longer, pull them to the right and just pin them into place. And then just twist your ends together and tightly tuck them up into the top where we created our swoop, and just secure them into place with some bobby pins, or you could even use a small hair clip. Nobody will see it. And then to make everything look nice and tight, you just want to secure the underside of your bun just above the nape of your neck. This will help hide our ends and ensure that everything stays in place all night long. And then finish it off with your favorite hairspray, and there you have it, an easy, classic updo. So that's it, you guys. I would love to know what you thought of this hairstyle, and if you have any tips or tricks for smooth, shiny hair, be sure to comment them down below. But I will list all of the Briogeo products in the description below, along with some of my favorites and the coupon codes, so be sure to check them out and let me know what you scoop up. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked today's video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.